What if you could just ask questions about your business data and get real answers in seconds without touching a single formula? That's exactly what we're doing today with NotebookLM. All right, first thing, open your browser and go to notebooklm.google.com. You'll need a Google account to sign in, the same one you use for Gmail or Google Drive. Go ahead and click Sign In and Log In. Once you're in, you'll land on the NotebookLM homepage. This is where all your notebooks live. Now click Create New Notebook. You'll see it right here on the screen. A notebook is basically your workspace. Think of it like a folder where you throw in your business data and NotebookLM reads it all for you. You'll notice two main areas. On the left, that's where your files go. On the right, that's your chat, where you'll ask questions. Now, let's upload our data. Click Add Source right here. You'll get a few options: Google Docs, PDFs, websites. For today, we're uploading the CSV file, our monthly sales data. Click Upload File. Select the file called monthly_sales_data.csv. This has 6 months of sales data across products and regions. Give it a second to load, and there it is. NotebookLM has now read your entire file. It knows everything in there. Here's where the magic happens. Click the chat box and type your first question, just like you're texting a colleague. What are the top performing products by revenue, and which month had the highest total sales? Then send it. Look at that. It pulled the answer straight from your data. It tells you which product made the most money and which month was your best. No formulas, no pivot tables. See these little citation numbers? Click one. It'll highlight exactly where in your file that answer came from, so you always know it's accurate. Click chat box again and type a follow-up question. Which region has the lowest customer satisfaction score, and what could explain it? Now we're getting into real business insight. It spotted the region with the lowest satisfaction and connected it to higher return rates. That's the kind of pattern that used to take hours to find manually. Now, let's type one final prompt in the chat. Write a short executive summary of this sales data with 3 key takeaways and 2 recommendations. And just like that, you've got a ready-to-share executive summary. Copy it, paste it into an email, a slide, wherever you need it. That's NotebookLM for business data. Upload your file, ask questions in plain English, get answers you can actually trust. Try it free at notebooklm.google.com.